Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to create an Instagram account. So first and foremost, you want to press on sign up. First and foremost, you want to go to the Instagram.com. Once you're in Instagram.com, you want to press on sign up, Instagram.com, and then press on sign up. From here, you want to put in either your mobile number or your email. So I'm just gonna use my email address, which I have right here. So I'm gonna use that email address. Then I'm gonna put in my name, which is Tech Idea. Oh wait, actually, Tech Idea. And Tech Idea. Tech Idea 3. Alright, that apparently Tech Idea 3 is also not available. Alright, that username is available. So we're gonna be using Tech Idea _3, and now we're just gonna put in a password and sign up. Now you're just gonna put in your birth date. I'm just gonna put in a random birth date and then press on next. Once I do that, it's gonna send us a confirmation code in our Gmail. And there's our code. You just want to copy this code and paste it right here, and then you want to press next. Once you press next, it's gonna load a bit. And we're just gonna sit here. Alright, something went wrong creating your account. Please try again soon. Well, I'm not sure what went wrong. I'm just gonna have them resend the code. Just wait for the new code now. That's our new code. Let's see if this works. Okay. What if we try logging in? Okay, not sure what happened, but apparently my account got created, but I'm not really sure what happened. The account got created, but as you can see, they've noticed unusual activity. How is there even unusual activity if the account was never there? But oh well, we're just gonna select pictures of mountains and hills. This does not look like a hill, that just looks like a road. That looks like a hill. And maybe we'll just select these because they're the only one that with some greenery. And after putting the code in, we're in the account. Well, apparently I made an Instagram account with this email address, which is why I had to go through all of that. But yeah, that's pretty much how you're gonna make your Instagram account. It's gonna send your code on your Gmail, and then you just put it in, and then done. That's it. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.